There are 3 mistakes killing the conversions of your landing page. And today, team, I'm going to show you how to fix them. Because imagine if you could get more leads and sales without spending a cent more on your traffic. The thing is, businesses are brainwashed to believe that ads are the only way to grow and scale. But the point of your ad is to simply get the click. Your ad is not the conversion tool. It's everything that happens post-click that makes you money. So the ad equals the traffic to get the click, right? And your landing page or your funnel is the thing that converts that click into money. So your landing page or funnel is the thing that actually persuades and motivates and converts that click into a lead or a sale. But most businesses send their very expensive traffic to a landing page that has just been thrown together and is an absolute pile of shit. So after launching 450 landing pages and funnels, here are the big 3 mistakes I see companies making on their landing pages. Number 1 is a weak offer. Your landing page is a digital salesperson trying to persuade and motivate someone to take action. Get a call, free quote, chat with sales, that sort of stuff isn't going to cut it anymore. Those only serve your business, right? And you need to create an offer that answers what's in it for me from the prospect's point of view. You need to build an irresistible offer. We call this your golden hippo offer, aka how can you stand out from a sea of gray, boring other offers? And now up on the screen, this is our formula. So you can see here we have the dream outcome, the single crystal clear desired end result, right? Then we often give like a premium bonus, a bit of a description, and all we're doing is showing them how we're going to solve their problems and get them closer to their goals. That's the formula. Here's an example of how it looks in action. So you can see here we have the title of the offer, we're showing the tangible value. Each of the bullets address a pain or a gain point, and we're just stacking that irresistible value to make it an absolute no-brainer. Remembering that no business sells a product or a service, right? We all just sell entry into a desired after state. So what you want to do is have a really clear understanding of your target market avatar, because marketing's just inputs and outputs, right? Garbage in, garbage out. If you know that, then you know exactly what offer to put in front of somebody to excite them and persuade them to become a lead or a sale. So mistake number 2 is boring messaging. If you're unsure whether your messaging sucks, go and ask 5 people in your company this question. What do we do and who do we do it for? And you know what? I betcha you'll get 5 different answers. But so what? Well, this means that your customers can't possibly have a clear idea about what you do, right? Like if the people internally, your sales team, your customer support, your CEO, and all of the different teams, your content team, they have a different idea about the messaging that they should be putting out there, it's going to be very confusing for that end consumer. AKA, they don't understand whether you can solve their problems for them. AKA, you're causing friction between them giving you money. And yes, this is bad, which means that your landing pages aren't going to enter the conversation happening in their mind, and it's not going to excite them or persuade them to take the action you want them to take. So what you need is sniper messaging that's going to stand out from the noise in your marketplace. And up on the screen now, here's the formula that we use. So it is what we do, who we do it for, the problem it solves, and the results it gets. And now when you create that sentence, it's maybe a bit clunky, it's not super clean, but the idea isn't that you go and plaster it everywhere. The idea is that these are core inputs for whenever you're creating marketing comms, right? Sales proposals, emails, signatures, the first call when somebody calls your front desk, marketing collateral, explaining about who you are in your About Us page. All of these are all on the same page, and it's very clear about who you are and what makes you different and how you can help me, the prospect, your dream customer, whoever it is, to get them into that dream outcome. So here's the example for PX, Persuasion Experience, which is my own company. I do eat my own dog food, I promise. And that is Persuasion Experience specializes in the post-click journey for B2B services and tech SaaS companies who need to generate high quality leads. They've helped a range of companies from freshly funded startups to billion-dollar brands like Linktree and Wayflyer. After building 450 plus funnels and landing pages, they use their PX funnel system to leverage consumer research to uncover why somebody buys from a company and turn the insights into sniper messaging, golden hippo offers, and automated sales funnels to convert more traffic at scale. And of course, like, I'm not meeting somebody and spewing this out at them, but I use adapted versions when I meet somebody at a networking event, when I'm pitching to go on a podcast, when I'm sending a summary about what I do to somebody who wants to introduce me, whatever it is. Whenever I'm talking about our company, it's congruent. And does this evolve? Yeah, it does. We review it at least quarterly to make sure that it's up to date, and that's what we need to do. And we make sure that we tell the team, we do it every week in our traffic light meetings, but we make sure our whole team knows that this is it, right? And mistake number 3, it is sloppy social proof. So you can't claim you're the best and then not prove it. You've got to give the receipts, right? You need to leverage third-party, irrefutable proof that you can get the dream outcome for the person, that you can actually achieve what you say you're going to achieve. And it's not enough to just slap a testimonial slider onto your page and expect people to read it or expect that is enough. You have to, and it's worse if you have no social proof, but having just a slider all the way at the bottom of your page and it's just like a big slap of copy, that's not going to cut it. What you need to do is you need to use social proof with intent. And here I'm going to pop up on the screen some examples of how we do this with our clients. Cool. So we do this when we need to answer, is this for me, right? We create the common archetypes or the common objections, and then we pair them up with a testimonial. We use native screenshots for authenticity. Like, they might be a bit ugly, but that's fine. It's a good pattern interrupt. Pattern interrupt means like you stub. You know when you stub your toe, it's like stubbing somebody's eye and making them pay attention to this. But if you're taking a screenshot of a text message or something super organic as well, that's really helpful. Then we do it when we want to explain the features and the benefits. We want to do it when we want to prove they'll get what we promise, right? These are payment examples, like payment deposits, because with this client in particular, like the big claim is that you're going to make these money from doing these raffles, and it's real, it's not a scam, but people think it's a scam. So we're showing actual statements of how they've got those payments. You want them to see people they resonate with getting the results they want. That's the whole point, right? So this is off of our website, and you can see here we're talking about the results they want, and then people resonate with these types of companies. So a quick recap on the 3 mistakes killing your landing page conversions. Number 1 is the offer. You need to craft that golden hippo offer they can't say no to. Number 2 is your messaging. Be clear on what you do and how it benefits them, the most important part, right? And number 3, the social proof. Prove it. Yeah, prove that you do that. Don't just say it. And how can you use that social proof with intent? And team, that is your training today. I have many other videos to help you improve the conversions on your landing pages, like how to create call to action buttons, how to create a whole landing page from scratch, or more videos on sales funnels as well. But team, remember, knowledge is power, but it is totally useless if you don't go and execute on it. So team, let me know in the comments what you found useful, or do you have a landing page and you're feeling brave and you'd like me to shoot you a quick learn video with 3 tips on how you can improve conversions today. In any case, team, as the kids say, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will keep you up to date with everything I know on how to convert more of your traffic into high quality leads and sales. Until next time, I've been Alicia Conlin-Hurd.